Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Grammarly desktop app completely, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Grammarly desktop app completely, first, close the application if it is currently running. Next, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the Start menu, select the Settings option, which looks like a gear icon. From the Settings window, click on Apps to open the Apps and Features section. Once you are in the Apps and Features section, scroll through the list to find Grammarly. Click on Grammarly to reveal the Uninstall button. Select the Uninstall button to begin the removal process. A confirmation window may appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Confirm the action by clicking Uninstall again in the confirmation window. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After the app has been uninstalled, you may want to check for any remaining files. To do this, open File Explorer and navigate to the Program Files and Program Files, x86, directories. Look for any folders related to Grammarly and delete them if they exist. Next, go to the App Data folder to check for additional files. To access the App Data folder, type %appdata% into the File Explorer address bar and press Enter. Browse through the folders to locate any Grammarly-related folders and delete them. Return to the main App Data folder by going up one level. Check both the local and roaming folders for any Grammarly files and remove them. Finally, to ensure that all remnants of the app have been removed, restart your computer. After the restart, your computer will be free of the Grammarly desktop app and any associated files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.